from Patter Cake, the channel that's about baking and much more. A warm welcome to my channel. With Republic Day just around a week away, let's make a Republic Day special recipe. Let's make a delicious Tiranga Pulao recipe. To make this tasty Tricolour Pulao, we won't use any food colors. We'll just make 3 quick, flavorful pulaus, which will taste great even individually. We'll make an orange carrot pulao, green chutney pulao, and white paneer pulao. And then I'll show you how to assemble the 3 pulaus and make a colorful Tricolour or Tiranga Pulao. So without any further delay, let's make it right now at Patter Cake. Here's the basmati rice I cooked to make the 3 pulaus. I washed and soaked 1.5 cups of basmati rice in water for around 20 minutes and then drained and boiled it in plenty of water, in around 9 cups of water, along with 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of oil. I undercooked the rice slightly and then drained off the water and then spread it out to cool. Once the rice is cold like this, we'll have to divide it into 3 parts for making the 3 pulaus. Now let's check out the common ingredients we'll be using in each of the pulaus. We'll use 1/3 of the cooked rice, whole spices, that's 4 cloves, a 1-inch piece of cinnamon, 3 green cardamoms cracked open, and half a teaspoon of cumin seeds, a 1/4 cup of finely chopped onion, and 1 teaspoon each of crushed garlic and crushed ginger. For the paneer pulao, however, we'll use just half a teaspoon of each of these. I'll tell you about the additional ingredients as we go along. Now let's start with the orange colored carrot pulao. Let's heat 1 tablespoon of pure ghee or oil on medium heat. And to it, we'll add the whole spices, the cloves, cinnamon, and cardamom. We'll saute these for a few seconds and then add in the chopped onion and saute this till it browns. Then we'll add the cumin seeds, fry them lightly, and then add the crushed ginger and garlic and fry these two for a few seconds. Next, we'll add in half a cup of grated carrot. I'm using a mix of the orange colored and pinkish carrots, and 1 tablespoon of water. We'll saute and cook this for around a minute and then add in 1 teaspoon of chilli powder and a mix of 3 tablespoons of tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon of red chili sauce. Let's mix this well. Next, if you want to make this a non-veg pulao, you could add in some chopped fried prawns. This is optional, but here's how you could cook the prawns first. These are 12 cleaned and washed medium-sized prawns. You could marinate these for around 15 minutes with 1/8 of a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon of chili powder, and half a teaspoon of lime juice. After 15 minutes, fry the prawns in around 2 teaspoons of oil on medium heat for around 2 minutes on each side. These are now done. Once they've cooled down, you could chop them into small pieces. And then you could mix these into the pulao. If you want to keep it a vegetarian pulao, however, you could add an extra 1/4 cup of grated carrots to it. Finally, we'll mix in 1/3 of the cooked basmati rice. Mix it gently because we don't want to break the grains of rice. I've added half a teaspoon of salt to the pulao off camera to adjust the taste. And here's our quick carrot pulao. Now let's make the green chutney pulao. Like before, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil. Add the cloves, cinnamon and cardamoms. Saute these. Add in the chopped onion. And when they brown, add in the cumin seeds. And then the crushed ginger and garlic. Next, we'll mix in 6 tablespoons of coriander mint chutney. If you want to check out the recipe for this chutney, please check out my video on green chutney sandwiches. The link is up here and in the description box below. Finally, we'll add in the basmati rice. We'll mix it in well, but gently, and then taste it for salt. It needs just half a teaspoon of salt. And here's our quick chutney pulao. Now let's make the white paneer pulao. Once again, we'll heat 1 tablespoon of ghee or oil, throw in the 3 whole spices, and add the chopped onion and brown this. But next, we'll add 2 finely chopped green chilies, followed by the cumin seeds. And after sauteing this for a few seconds, we'll move everything to one side. And add in 1½ tablespoons of chopped cashew nuts and 1½ tablespoons of raisins. Let's add a few drops more of ghee. Saute these for a few seconds. And then mix them with the other ingredients. After this, we'll add in the crushed ginger and garlic. We'll saute this briefly and then add in 3/4 cup of grated paneer. Next, let's add in the rice and mix everything. Let's taste it for salt. It needs half a teaspoon of it. And last of all, we'll mix in 1 teaspoon of sugar. This will enhance the taste of the pulao and also help it balance the tastes of the other 2 pulaos. And here's our quick paneer pulao. These 3 pulaos we made will have to be assembled to make a delicious and colorful Tiranga Pulao. I'll show you 2 ways to assemble these in lightly greased molds. I've greased this glass bowl and lined the bottom with parchment paper to make sure our tricolor rice comes out cleanly when we demold it. Let's first press in the orange layer, then the white one, and finally the green one. Let's press the rice down well. And then upturn the bowl on a plate. See how cleanly we've demolded it. Let's add a sprig of mint or pudina on top. And here's the first way of assembling our tricolor rice or Tiranga Pulao. You could also assemble it like this, in a greased square or round mold if you want, by arranging the 3 pulaos side by side like this. And as a finishing touch, and also to depict the charkha on the Indian flag, let's place a star anise in the center of the white paneer pulao. Do give my Tiranga Pulao a shot this Republic Day. It has an awesome taste and your whole family will enjoy it. But don't forget to let me know how you liked it through the comments box. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel as yet, please do so to enjoy more quick and tasty recipes like this. And till we meet again, happy cooking and happy Republic Day.